The men had been working on the new engine for a long time. "What's his name?" the other engines kept asking. "We don't know. It's a secret," was always the reply. Everyone just called him Number 7. At last, Peter Sam could contain himself no longer. He asked the Thin Controller. The Thin Controller smiled. "Wouldn't you like to know?" he teased. "I do." "What is it?" "But I'm not telling. You'll have to wait until the naming party." 𝔖𝔲𝖏, the railway's chief engineer, was going to do the naming. Even he didn't know the engine's name. "But Mr. Hugh, you must know," protested 𝔖𝔏𝖏. "I'm afraid not," laughed Mr. Hugh. "The name won't be painted on until the last minute." "It must be a place, or a person," said Sir Handel, "to match us," he added. "I think it's a place," decided René's. "But why is it a secret?" The engines didn't know, but Renéus's idea was, they thought, the best answer. On the great day, a special train was to pick up the Thin Controller, his guests, and Mr. Hugh, and bring them to the bottom station for the ceremony. 𝔖𝔏𝖏, as the oldest engine, was going to pull it. 𝔖𝔏𝖏 passed the big house with the Thin Controller lived, and went as far as the middle station. With a squealing noise, something dashed past his front wheels. He stopped quickly. "What on earth?" demanded the fireman. In long grass beside the line lay a large mother pig, and frisking around her was pink piglets. Clearly 𝔖𝔏𝖏 could go no further until they were safely caught. But they didn't want to be caught. "Oh dear," fretted 𝔖𝔏𝖏. "We're going to be late for the party." The Thin Controller, Mr. Hugh, and even some of the guests joined in the pig chase. Until at last, all the animals had been captured and put carefully back in the field. A large crowd had gathered. All the engines except 𝔖𝔏𝖏 were there, and Number 7, with his name covered, simmered quietly. "Something must be wrong," René whispered to Duke. "𝔖𝔏𝖏 should be here by now." "Perhaps the Thin Controller wasn't ready," suggested Duncan, but was firmly hushed by the others. A little later, 𝔖𝔏𝖏 puffed thankfully into the station. "I'm sorry we're late," Mr. Hugh said, "but we've been chasing pigs. However," he went on, "I'm here to name an engine. I don't know what it's called yet, so I shall have to read it to you. Therefore, I name this engine... Bless my soul! No, not that. It's 𝔖𝔏𝖏." He turned to the Thin Controller. "I am honoured, sir. Thank you," he said. And all the little engines whistled loudly in acclamation.